GK Kids.
The Sorceress Parrot. Atop a mountain stood a house where a sorceress named Chitrakala lived. She possessed knowledge of black magic. Below the mountain, at the foot of the hills, there was a village. The sorceress had cast a spell and taken control of this village. The villagers were very afraid of her. They knew that if she became angry, she could destroy the entire village with her magic. To keep her happy, the villagers obeyed her every command. Whatever they earned, a large portion of it had to be given to the sorceress. This tradition had been ongoing for centuries. The villagers would grow old and die, but the sorceress always remained young and beautiful. No one knew the secret behind this. In one of the village homes lived a boy named Rakesh. His father had passed away working in the fields. After his father's death, Rakesh took over the farming. However, a large portion of the crops he worked so hard to grow had to be given to the sorceress. One day, Rakesh said to his mother, "Mother, we will never live in peace like this. It was because of this sorceress that my father died, and now I, too, am enslaved by her." Rakesh's mother replied, "Son, many before you have tried to oppose the sorceress, but she killed them all with her magic. We can't do anything." Rakesh interrupted his mother and asked, "But mother, there must be some way out of all this." His mother said, "Son, just let things continue as they are." Though Rakesh remained silent at that moment, the thought of freeing the villagers from the sorceress had taken root in his mind. The next day, Rakesh went to work on his farm as usual, but his mind was more focused on the sorceress than on his work. At noon, Rakesh sat down under a tree to eat. Nearby, in the neighboring field, his uncle Dinanand was also eating. Rakesh shared his thoughts with Dinanand. After hearing him, Dinanand said, "Son, you're right, but it's a very dangerous task, you could lose your life." Rakesh replied, "Uncle, if I die saving the villagers, I will be happy. Please tell me a way." Dinanand then said, "Years ago, a farmer from this village tried to kill the sorceress. However, she found out and took everything from him in revenge. She was about to kill him, but he fled the village before she could. His name is Gopal, and he lives in a nearby village now. But he doesn't meet anyone." Rakesh asked, "But why, uncle?" Dinanand replied, "Son, he's afraid that someone might come to kill him on the sorceress's orders." Rakesh understood the situation, and the next day, he set out for the neighboring village. He reached Gopal's house, and after a lot of convincing, Gopal finally spoke to him. Gopal said, "One night, I snuck into the sorceress's palace to strangle her while she slept, hoping she would die. But she didn't die because she has hidden her life force in a parrot." Rakesh was astonished and asked, "But why would she do that, uncle?" Gopal continued, "The sorceress wants to remain forever young and beautiful, but her magic doesn't work on herself. So, she keeps that parrot alive with magic, and her life force is inside it. That's why she stays young. If someone kills the parrot, everything will return to normal." Rakesh thanked Gopal and returned to his village. That night, Rakesh quietly snuck into the sorceress's palace. He saw that she was asleep, and beside her, on a table, was a cage with the parrot inside. Rakesh gave the parrot a green chili to eat. The parrot was very happy. Then Rakesh said to the parrot, "How long will you stay in this cage? If you want, I can set you free." The parrot replied, "No one can free me from this cage." Rakesh asked, "Isn't there any way?" The parrot said, "If someone kills me, I can be free. If I die, the sorceress will die too. Once she is dead, I will come back to life, because I have two life forces." Rakesh asked, "How can you be killed without suffering?" The parrot replied, "Fill this room with smoke, and I will die from suffocation." Rakesh listened carefully and left. The next night, he returned and saw that the sorceress was asleep. He brought some wood with him, lit it, and threw it into the room through the window, then closed the window. The smoke woke the sorceress. She grabbed the cage and ran toward the door, but Rakesh had locked it from the outside. Within moments, the parrot suffocated and died. As soon as the parrot died, the cage fell from the sorceress's hands, and she too died. Rakesh watched this from outside. Once she was dead, he opened the window, went inside, and brought the cage out. In a short while, the parrot came back to life. Thanks to Rakesh's courage and intelligence, the villagers were finally freed from the sorceress.